Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve oops there is a mistake. To know how to fix or how to solve oops there is a mistake on your TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.